Hey there! So in today's video, I am going to be talking about what makes a relationship work and what is the purpose of a relationship. Welcome again, my beautiful people, into this amazing channel where we empower you to find the love that you deserve. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and also share this video because it will be this amazing topic about relationship and what makes a relationship work. So most of the time we get into a relationship for all the wrong reasons. But relationships are all about giving, not all about taking. And if you want to find true love, you have to be willing to give instead of expecting to receive, because relationships are all about giving. There are many layers in relationship, such as the emotional part of it and the spiritual part of it. Is not all about the physical part of it. Most people think they base love and relationship on having sex, the physical part of it, but it's not really about what you can get out of it. So there are many layers in relationship. The physical part of it, the emotional part of it, and the spiritual part of it is also about getting to know the person on a personal level, not just what you can get out of them physically. It's all about getting to know a person on a personal level and spiritually also. In order to have a happy love life, you have to be willing to give and not expect anything. Because if you're going to be in love, you have to be selfless. You have to not neglect yourself, but forget about yourself. Do not expect anything in return. Just give love. Because the best relationship that you can have is with yourself. So you have to be selfless and make sure you give and not expect anything in return. Or if you keep giving and giving, you will still get something out of it. So, and another thing, most people do not know how to be themselves in a relationship. Most of the time, they deny themselves the real them. You don't have to deny the real you. You have to be authentic. Because what's the point of you trying to be an artificial you when you can be you? If the person that you're with or want to be with do not accept the real you, well, it cannot work, because you have to be you. So what makes a relationship work? Respect is a huge part of a relationship in order to make it work. So respect the person you're with, but first respect yourself first. And having a deep understanding of what you two want in a relationship is another huge part of it also. And finally, communication. Very, very important. You have to practice mindful communication. If you do not have those in place, the relationship cannot move forward. So make sure you practice mindful communication. You can just buy a book on communication. So the purpose of a relationship is to express yourself, to enjoy love and enjoy the other person. And you want a person that empower you to be the better you, to give a person that will inspire you to do well and reach your higher self. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.